G'day team, welcome to another ripper of an episode. Today we're going to talk about energy efficiency and how to seal up a home for the better part of energy efficiency moving forward. One of the biggest things that I've discovered recently, I had John from Efficiency Matrix. G'day Johnny. Johnny from Efficiency Matrix came to one of my jobs and pressure tested the house. It was a very old house and we did an extremely good job at sealing it up, but there were still a few little tricks that we could have done, which he explained to me and we're going to show you today. Big thing is the small little leaks. So small little leaks, quite a lot in the old home. What happened was they would do all of their framing and then they would lay their floors up to the wall plates and there would be a little bit of a gap, so about 5 to 10 mil around them. Come with me and check this one out. Here we can see that we've got the old wall plate and there's a bit of a gap here and this will run underneath here. So what we can do is actually seal all the way across underneath our skirt and around these. Now the skirt isn't on this yet, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some construction adhesive and we're going to run it around any of our gaps around here and then even across here. Then what we're going to do is try and minimize as much as we can any upward draft from out underneath the floors. We lose about 15% of our energy through our floors. It can be a little bit more, can be a little bit less. Depends on how the floors are constructed. But on an old home like this, 15% is a very big amount to be losing. So if we can seal that up now, we'll then also waterproof it and seal it, and then we can lay our tiles on this area. That'll completely ensure that there's no energy that can leak up and out or out and in. The reason we use a construction adhesive on something like this is because it's got some flexibility. Houses settle or move. So what we want to do is use a system that actually has a little bit of give to it, has a little bit of flexibility to it. We want to be able to, if the house moves, we want to be able to have this sealing agent be able to move with it. We don't want to use something that becomes hard and brittle. If the house moves, then it just cracks, and there's no point in doing this. It just opens up for air to come straight through it anyway, or that breeze to come through it anyway, and that energy to leak, which is what we don't want. Got to watch out though on the different types of glues that we use. We don't want to use high chemical base, so please be careful. If there isn't a choice, then make sure that you're wearing the proper PPE, protective equipment, as you're doing certain sections if you need to. How's that one? Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries about energy efficiency, flick it over. I'll answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.